DRAGONESS.
She give me pon me hard, say she give me pon me hard. Fine girl, I come in on me hard, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so. Put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me hard. Man, I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me hard. Man, I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I not bad man, they want to say I.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is all about this hair that I am rocking right now, and an absolutely new braid pattern for a half up, half down crochet. That's not the usual, you know, slick your hair into a ponytail and then crochet hair into the ponytail. This is a half up, half down style where you can wear the hair down as well, okay? This way is a braid pattern that allows you to wear the hair half up, half down, to pigtails, or all down as well. So I guess it's closer to a vixen, but there's no hair left out, so you're pretty much good there. I'm also super excited to share this video with you guys because this video is my first ever crochet hair collab, okay? And for the first ever crochet hair collab, I had to bring y'all the best, okay? I had to bring you guys Miss LIA LAVON. Yes, honey. LIA LAVON, that is my girl. She has been rocking with my beauty supply store that I have had for about 2 years now. She is one of my premier influencers. I am just so excited to be collaborating with her in a new way, and hopefully this is the first of many, but you know, we'll see how it goes. But I'm so excited. So the way this collab is gonna go, I'm going to show you guys a detailed, intricate, different, new type of install style, and she's going to give you the detailed, full review on how the hair wears. So she's doing the wear test for you guys. So you guys always ask me, how does the hair hold up? Can you wash the hair? How does it look after 2 weeks? How does it look after a month? I can never give you guys those answers because I change my hair every 3 to 4 days. So you guys ask me those questions and I can never answer it. But now that I've collaborated with Miss LIA LAVON, she'll be able to answer those questions for you guys about the hair, and I'll be able to answer the questions about the install, about, you know, new techniques, different techniques and things like that. So I feel like this is kind of a perfect collaboration. You guys let me know what you think. But I kind of feel like this is the start of something that's about to be really, really bomb. So let me know what you guys think. Definitely make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you're subscribed to LIA LAVON. And without further ado, let's jump right into this tutorial. All right, you guys, so we're going to jump right into this braid pattern. Of course, I leave my baby hairs out and just cornrow those down. I part my hair in the middle and do 4 cornrows going straight to the back. I combine all of those cornrows into one braided down the side, and I stitch up the end of the braid into the braid that is cornrowed down. So that's pretty much the way I did this half up, half down braid pattern. So you still will be able to wear the hair flipped over. You'll still have your parting spaces across the front, but you'll also be able to do your half up, half down with a nice clean line. Then you just do your straight backs in the back, and I also do 2 braids going directly across the back. That just helps to relieve tension on the nape of my neck. So the hair that I'm using today is from Be Famous Hair, Black owned, woman owned. Yes, honey, get into these curls. So the hair does come with 5 bundles, hair bundled all into one. So when you purchase, you only have to buy 1 pack. And this was the perfect amount of hair for me. I used 3 bundles in the back and 2 bundles in the front, 1 on either side. So in the back, I did not separate any of those specific hairs. I kept each one of those hairs together. In the front, I did separate the hairs in half. but only at the area where I did the invisible knot technique. So if I did the regular knot technique like you see me doing here, I did not separate the hair. But at the top where I was doing my parting spaces, I separated the hair 1 time or 2 times depending, and I used the invisible knot technique. So this is what it looks like installed in the back of my head using the regular crochet technique, and that's 1 bundle. So 1 bundle got me that far, and like I said, I used 3 bundles in the back of my head. So this is what a full 3 bundles looks like. I had 2 more bundles left over, which was perfect. 1 bundle on either side of my head was enough for me to complete this style. Now the color that I purchased was T1B27. The pack was $60. The shipping was $9.99. The taxes was $3. And so I spent a grand total of $73.44. So this hair is absolutely gorgeous. I think that was perfect pricing for this hair and for this style. It just came out really, really fire. Like, I wasn't sure about this color at first. I was a little concerned because I thought it was a little too yellow. I wish that it was a little more black at the top and then faded down into the yellow more. But as soon as I finished the install, I was like, oh no, this color is perfection. So here you can see where I did the invisible knot technique at the top. And you can see that the hair separates so nicely into this half up, half down parting space. But you can also part it so that you can flip the hair over, wear a side part, a deep side part, a middle part. You just have so much versatility with the way this braid pattern is. I absolutely love this braid pattern. If I had something to do over again, I would definitely figure out how to not have the ends of the braids all lumped at the bottom corner where my ear is. And I'll talk more about that towards the end of the video. But that's the only thing that I would change about this braid pattern. So I'm definitely going to do it again and show you guys like an update on how to avoid that. But this is what the full install is looking like, and you guys, I was immediately pressed. I felt so glamorous. The hair was so full, so bouncy, so soft and beautiful, and the color was just everything. Now, of course, you're not done here. You always want to give your hair a bomb haircut because that is what's going to bring your crochet to life. So I went ahead, I put my contacts in, y'all, get into my gray eyes, and I cut one side of the crochet. So you can clearly see the difference. When you cut the crochet, it literally like changes everything. So make sure you guys give yourself some face framing layers and give your crochet a good, nice haircut so that it can just come out fire. I went ahead and took out my baby hair area, and it's pretty much good to go. So keep on watching. I'll show you guys what the hair looks like when it's styled. My baby hairs are styled and after wearing the hair for about 5 days.
You are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see.
So I know you guys already watched me do the install for this hair. So I'm super, super excited to bring you guys this hair because this is from a Black owned company. So this is the hair, and you guys, I have been wearing this hair for a week. Shocker, I never wear hair for this long, but since the holidays are here and I have been so preoccupied preparing holidays for my family, I have not been able to do my hair. So here we are. This is what the hair is looking like, and this is literally the way I have been rocking it. Let me turn around so you can see this hair from all sides. Now I am going to show you guys how it looks with my baby hairs laid down. I did wear my baby hairs laid down once with this hair, but other than that, I've been wearing this hair without any baby hairs. This color is like giving me so much life. I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my edge control and do my baby hairs.
You are what see me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb look like them are watching. They're pretty up.
So now both sides of the baby hairs are done. I'm absolutely loving the way this style looks. I love the way I cut the hair. It just falls so cute. It's full, but it's not too crazy. It's curly, but it hasn't gotten like bushy. I absolutely love how everything has settled in together, and I love everything about this hair. The curls, the color, the cut, everything. And then I made sure that I did this hair on a versatile pattern so that I could put it up into space buns, 2 ponytails, or 1 ponytail at the top. I really wanted to try to create this look using crochet and still be able to part the hair, because you know when you wear crochet and you've been wearing crochet for a while, the curls start to blend together. So if you don't have a part, it's going to be really difficult to you know, separate the hair into a clean ponytail. And I'm not saying clean as to say you can't see the knots. I mean clean to the point where you can easily separate the hair and put it into a ponytail, if that makes sense. This hair is so cute. I'm definitely gonna keep trying to perfect this braid pattern because I like the versatility of it.
Original Batman.
It's fake kills.
She give me pon me hard, say she give me pon me hard.
All right, you guys, so this is the ponytail, and I'm telling you, I couldn't be more pleased with the way this came out. It's literally coming out exactly how I wanted it. The only thing that I will say is with this braid pattern, I don't know what this little... The only thing that I will say with this braid pattern is if your hair is longer or thicker than mine, this is going to be a tough one because this hump right here, it definitely does show. So this right here, it shows, but as long as the crochet hair you use is long enough, it will float down over that area. So, you know, there's plus and minuses to everything. I guess I could try to finesse the braid pattern a little bit differently so that this hump doesn't show up, and I will definitely try to do that. But for now, this hair is actually coming out exactly the way that I was hoping that it would.
Original Batman.
It's fake kills. Once again, I want you guys to head over to LIA LAVON's channel. I know you already know about her. She is lit. She is everything. So if you're watching me, I already know you're subscribed to her. I'm super happy to get this collaboration off the ground and to be working with someone as amazing as LIA. Thank you so much, LIA, for agreeing to do this collab. I think it's gonna be awesome, and yeah, you guys, definitely comment down below if you want to see more of these type of tutorials and these type of collabs, and make sure you head over to LIA's channel, show her some love, let her know that I sent you, and make sure you subscribe to her channel, subscribe to my channel, and do all that good stuff. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you learned something today, if you feel like this tutorial would be useful to anyone you know. I would be so glad and humbled if you would share this video, share it with a friend, share it with a crochet lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.
She give me pon me hard, say she give me pon me hard. Fine girl, I coming on me hard, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so, put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me hard. Man, I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me hard. Man, I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I not bad man, they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I